Good morning. It's Tuesday, February 18th. And what I am about to say now is something that I have said many, many times. We as humans are capable of controlling much in the world. We're capable of producing great events. We're capable of protecting many people. But there is one person out there in the world that we cannot control, and that is Mother Nature. And she is on another rampage in a different part of the United States. Millions of people are under flood warnings after powerful storms ripped across the eastern U.S. on Sunday. And at least 10 people are dead and thousands are in the region without power. Water levels have reached historic highs in Kentucky, where emergency responders performed over 1,000 rescues in under 24 hours. So we as humans have risen to the task, but Mother Nature has also risen to the task, and it doesn't matter how well we perform. She does not appreciate the great deeds that we humans produce. She will go on her rampages whenever it suits her. And the governor of the state of Kentucky has said thousands of people were rescued. But so what? Those people who rescued them performed miracle tasks, but Mother Nature's still out there lurking, and the storm looks like it's about to slow down a little bit. But parts of the Great Lakes could be buried by lake effect snow. And what will that do? Meteorologists say that around 10 million people are under storm warnings from upstate New York to New England. And that's ahead of an incoming Arctic blast that could break record temperatures this week. So what? What are we going to do about this? How? How can we get this under control? And you know what? We have millions of people in the population, in our world population, who live in places that they shouldn't be living in, because those places are susceptible, more susceptible to Mother Nature's whims than the ordinary situation. We know that many people live at the foot of mountains where tremendous amounts of snow pile up and then slide down the hills and destroy their homes. And how about the people who live along the beaches of this country? And the water rises, and the water continues to rise, and their homes are wiped out. And what do? They have no insurance, but they have money, and they build again on those stupid areas which are beautiful, but they don't deserve to be populated. So in this particular incident, there's at least 10 people who are dead, and there may be more than 10 people dead. Who knows if they have found all the bodies yet? So emergency responders are now in search and in rescue phase, the search and rescue phase, and have performed wonderful deeds up to this point. But they're still looking, and the water levels are very high. Very, very high, historically high. So there will be hundreds of water rescues that are about to come. And there may be multiple fatalities and more. And that's in Kentucky. Kentucky, famous for the Kentucky Derby. And not famous for these kinds of storms. There's over 300 roads that have been closed. And the state troopers don't know what the hell to do. So the leaders of the state are saying this is a historic impact. Mudslides to the east, to snow in the west. The situation is dangerous, they said. Please plan ahead. Stay safe, Kentucky. And this is on this holiday weekend. And the deaths include at least one child. And the Kentucky governor has said they believe that the number of deaths is going to rise. And he's urging people to stay off the roads and everything. Now you know that people are not going to listen because it's a holiday weekend and they have things that they have planned. But this is a dire situation. You have to watch out for Mother Nature. So you have a state of emergency that was declared in Kentucky because of the storm. And President Trump has approved federal disaster aid. So he has made that aid available and funding available to these impacted areas. I give him credit for doing that quickly. But the severe weather is going to be there for several more days. So there you have it. Mother Nature strikes on the holiday weekend. She doesn't know about holidays. She doesn't care about people. She has her things that she must do. And she does them very well, unfortunately, for the human population. So be careful for the rest of this weekend. And try to have a great day. Take care. Bye.